If you have a stressful corporate job, can you relate to what David said in this message that I received on my website contact form? David says, a few things I want to know. Can I afford to step down from my stressful corporate position while my kids are still schooling? Number 2, evaluate and get advice on building passive income and supplement my current lifestyle. And number 3, evaluate me and my children's insurance plan. Here is my answer to David's first 2 questions. Click on this link in my bio. You will arrive at this page. Click on this. You will arrive on this page on my website. Scroll down and tap on this. My answer to solve your first 2 questions is here. And then for your third question, your insurance plan and your children's insurance plan, on the very same page, you just click on this. Click to learn more. And my answers to that is here. Let's look at David's 4th and last question. Would like to hear advice on where to invest my current active income versus fixed deposit. Again, this, and then click on this again. On this page, scroll down. This section contains the answers to that 4th question. By the way, this is the only account I have on TikTok. It is spelled as CFLIEU. Any other accounts using these profile photos are fake. They will try to DM you to join any Telegram or WhatsApp group. All are imposters trying to scam you. So be on alert. I will never DM you or I will never message you directly. The only way you get in touch with me is through this contact form on my link in bio.